Kee-Nee-Moo-Sha Resort on renowned Woman Lake, where memories are made. On a large peninsula with over 100 acres of our private forest, the cabins are nestled along over a half-mile of pristine lakeshore. The resort features spacious grounds and well-spaced cabins. We've been a family-owned resort since 1922. Large, 200-foot sugar sand beach with a water park-style lake waterslide. Generations of families have found themselves here, sharing the joys of nature and simple family fun. On a major lake chain with 6,000 acres of water and 10 miles of boating. Known for excellent and versatile fishing, especially walleye, bass, and northern pike, Woman Lake has great structure with rock reefs, sunken islands, flats, and steep underwater banks. We've been featured in National Geographic magazine and Time at the Lake, a Minnesota album. Choose from traditional knotty pine cabins, new lake homes, and historic family log lodges, all individually owned and lovingly maintained. North of the stress zone, this resort is unique.